Wait!
Watch that boy.
Ah!
Are you mad at me?
No, I gotta double check. This is probably gonna fall and my head's gonna get chopped off.
Oh, you sprayed your butt.
Hi everyone, here's what's coming up in episode 6. Are we ready? So we're gonna go pick those up with the forks and then...
Just do a...
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, over here and then...
Or I can do that, and then that, and then that.
Or you can just...
I don't want to do that. I'll do that. And are we going to put it right on the...
Right where I opened it up. Silly.
Clunk. Okay. Here we go. Woo! She works. I was doing that and you're like, so I'm thinking, okay, I'll try something else.
Yeah, I don't always hear it.
I'm trying, it's doing its thing. I'm not used to it this year. Whoa, is the tire gonna hit? We are recording. Everything's working. I gotta get my hands all dirty and gross and greasy again.
Yeah.
And I hope this doesn't fall down.
Nope.
It's Scott rigged.
That's just the way it has to be.
Well. See, now if this falls, this is probably gonna fall and my head's gonna get chopped off.
No, it'll just get bumped, but not heavy.
This is not
Because
heavy?
It's gonna stop. It's gonna stop at its point.
All right, I would have put long pants on if I knew I had to crawl in
Do you
here.
want to go put long pants on?
Yes.
Okay.
I just thought about it because my legs are gonna get all disgusting.
Just grab onto my arm. I'm your balance. I'll move those bolts
Okay.
in the meantime and everything else because you're gonna knock it all apart.
I'm back. But I always get up on my own all the other times when you're back there.
Yeah, but it's higher. And I want you to be safe. It's tipped. It's
Okay.
floppy. You know?
Right. Tell me again what you need me to do.
All right. You're going to find that hose, okay? And you're going to wiggle it, and I'm going to try and feel it from underneath.
Okay.
Because you got to wiggle the top of it.
All right.
And I'm trying to feel the bottom of it.
Man's gonna kill me.
You see my hand?
Hold on. I gotta get in a different position. Tell me when.
You can't see my hand at all, huh?
Yes.
Am I anywhere?
Yeah, you're wiggling it. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
All right.
Ouch.
Can you pull it down at all?
I don't know. Let me see. Pull it down. I can get 2 fingers on it. I can't push it anywhere though. Ouch. Ouch.
Oh.
I shouldn't have started the camera yet. I don't know what you want me to do now.
Just keep holding it.
Oh, I haven't been.
Oh.
I can't be in that position it hurts.
Sorry. I think I got it good enough. All right. Thank you, woman.
That's it?
That's it. I'm gonna go wash again
Yeah.
before I start the next part.
Yeah. You think I need to wash? You think? So I'm just putting the bucket down.
Well, you're actually gonna lift up the bucket, tip it down, and then push down. Because if you pull it back, it's gonna push the machine back.
Great.
We don't want the machine pushed
So
back.
I'm gonna lift the arms,
Yes. Tip the bucket
tip the bucket,
and then push down.
and then put the arms back down.
Yeah. Are you mad at me?
I'm just frustrated and irritated.
Sorry. Sorry that my friends made your life so hard.
It's not what I envisioned my life being. But I guess we don't always get what we want, right?
Right. I got you. So I got one thing in my life that I wanted. And you unfortunately got me. Oh, you sprayed your butt.
Oh well. Knew I heard turkeys.
Oh.
At least one.
2, 3. There you go.
Yeah, there's one. We gotta put this thing down.
Hey, slowly.
Should I get down? This is gonna hit me.
Watch.
Wait!
Just watch that foot.
Ah! It hit my head.
Oh, sorry. You didn't see that side of it. I was watching your leg. All right. You're gonna lift up the bucket. You're gonna tip it. You're gonna push it straight down. And I'm going to jack those jacks up so that way the fluid runs out the backside.
I'm doing it slow. So. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Hey.
A little more.
Woo. It's moving. It's gonna kill me.
A little bit more. Good. I think that's good.
Turn it off.
Very nice. Once again, beautiful job.
Thank you. I had my seatbelt on tight.
Well, yeah. You always do. That's a good thing. I'm not as strong as I used to be. Hey, you see our new flowers?
Mm-mm.
They look like sunflowers.
Ooh.
They're like daisies.
Yeah, cool.
They are some big ones.
Look at me. You got a big old
I know I do.
gray spot on your face.
I got crap in my eyes. Did you get the front one?
The front window? No.
You're gonna be driving it. Some places to stash the camera or Debbie's phone so that you can watch what we're doing with it.
I need to,
With the backhoe from inside.
I don't know, love. No, I need my phone.
Okay. Why?
Because we're using my phone, not yours.
Yeah, but mine's the same size as yours, so once we get it taped, then it can slide in and out.
Okay. It's gonna have to be taped good.
I'm gonna have to get some more socks.
We're Scott rigging this again. Right?
Yep. I have a vision.
All right.
I'll go get your phone.
See, your camera is higher than mine. So mine gets some of the sock on the top.
Oh, your lens, your cameras are down the side.
Yes. They're
compared to
lower
mine.
than yours. Yeah. Just forget it.
All right, let's go roll those logs. All right. Get everything closed. I need you to get this all up in the air and started and ready to drive.
Whoop. Well, I don't want it to get stuck in there. Plug in, that's...
Nothing over the lens.
Nope. Now I gotta double check. No.
Rotten.
So we're trying to have more fires at the end of the day and relax from the work. Got our drinks and we have our dinner out here.
The fire pit was given to us by Randy and Beverly.
Friends and customers. Well, this is going to be edited. Okay, we're wasting footage. Okay, I'll let you start again.
This is a fire pit we received from Randy and Beverly Tracy. We received it about 1.5 years ago. But as you saw earlier in a video, we got in trouble for having a fire up here. And the fire department came up. Last fire of this pit. And we had, show them, there's lights over there because the fire department was called on us.
Last fire of the year in this fire pit.
Yeah. Can't really blame people for calling. There's already been a couple of fires.
And everyone
in the
knows
area.
how dry it is this year. So.
And it is really dry. And we haven't built our new fire pit yet. So this one is a nice, comfortable, relaxed fire pit. Because as Debbie will show you, sometimes I get big
Infernos.
fires.
Yes.
So this is a nice mild one.
And with the fire pit, thank you to the viewer who suggested that we make that orange spool in another video into a fire pit. So that was a wonderful idea.
She says orange, I call it yellow.
Yeah.
Kind of like my dump truck, it's yellow. But
Well, it's a dump truck, but you know, it sounds like he says dumb truck, but
thank you for all your suggestions and the kind things you've said.
yes. And we thank everyone for their support, those who watch us. And if you have any suggestions for us as to what we can do better, what we do good, please let us know in the comments. We'd appreciate it.
I actually have a video coming out about a repair I've done. That video is about a transmission service on it.
New filter and
Fluid.
fluid.
Because I went online, YouTube, Google, and could not find anything that matched mine. And then it wasn't near as hard as what I was being shown. So I decided, hey, I can be a stupid DIYer and do my own repairs and show you guys how to repair it. So if you have a case 580 SL and you have any questions, I do almost all my own repairs.
You could do just about anything.
If you have any problems or questions, I've run into a lot of things. I fix it all myself. One thing I had a buddy of mine help. He helped me with one major project. Have a good night.
Bye.
And a good week.
Thanks for watching.
Just stay calm as much as you can.
Okay.
More trauma.
This? I'm gonna tip over. Okay, we're at a job measuring. Scott's got to bring home some bacon. Remember, you have a microphone so we can hear what you say.
I don't need a microphone.